The Stanford Converter into Braille and eText, or Scribe, is an online document conversion system that transforms text and image-based file types into a variety of output options. Scribe is automatically installed in every Canvas course. The tool is available in all Canvas course navigation menus by default. To convert files using the Scribe tool, navigate to the Scribe tool within the Canvas course where you'd like to convert documents. The Scribe tool will be located in the left-hand navigation menu of options. Selecting Scribe. Scroll down, click on the caret, and select a file from the drop-down menu. Instructors and TAs will see unpublished files. Students will not see unpublished files. Under Requested Conversion, select the desired conversion type. Make a selection for all conversion parameters. When ready, click Campus Email. The conversion will be sent to the email address associated with the user's Canvas account. Navigating back to Scribe. At the top, Scan Modules is checked, therefore elected. By default, Scribe scans modules for course file links. Instructors can disable Scan Modules to allow Scribe to only scan and display files in the Files tool. However, if Files is disabled, files will not be scanned. If Modules is disabled, Scribe will continue to scan unless Scan Modules is disabled. So to disable Scribe from the course navigation menu, navigate to Settings, the bottom of the left-hand navigation menu. At the top, there are course tabs. Select Navigation, scroll down. To disable Scribe, select Scribe and drag and drop it below. Do not forget to scroll down and select Save. Now navigating back to navigation, I'm going to scroll down and re-enable Scribe by drag and dropping it up, scrolling down and selecting Save. The Canvas Scribe integration can only scan files and modules. When the Files tool is hidden, embedded course links not in modules, pages, announcements, assignments, discussions, etc. will not be listed to students in the Scribe tool. Inaccessible files requiring conversion can be made directly by navigating to scribe.stanford.edu. The Scribe site allows users to upload files directly from their computer. The ability also exists to utilize Scribe within the Files tool to convert to accessible files. Now navigating to the Files tool within the left-hand navigation menu. If Files is not visible in the course navigation, teaching teams may have hidden the Files tool. For courses with the Canvas Files tool enabled, there will be an S icon next to files eligible for conversion. Locate the file you would like to convert and click on the S icon next to the file. Select the conversion type by clicking on the caret and selecting from the drop-down menu of conversion options. Once ready, click Email. The conversion will be sent to the email address associated with the user's Canvas account. If for any reason teaching teams do not want the Scribe icon to appear in the course files, they can disable it on a course-by-course basis. Navigate to Course Settings. Scroll down about halfway and draw your attention to the right side of the screen. Locate Disable Census Access inside. Once clicking Disable, the screen will refresh, and then the user may select Enable Census Access inside to re-enable. For conversion results, the email will include a link to the converted file. Multiple conversion requests will be sent as individual emails, one per file. Larger files will take longer to convert. Shorter files should only take minutes. If a large file conversion is not delivered after 5 hours of the original request, please contact canvashelp@stanford.edu. Links to conversion files expire after 7 days. Emails will come from pony@censusaccess.com. As a recommendation, please feel free to add pony@censusaccess.com to your address book. Inaccessible files requiring conversion can be made by going directly to scribe.stanford.edu. For additional Scribe resources, please submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu. Have a lovely quarter.